Now available at McCarthy Cars is 2008 Mercedes-Benz C220 Salon. The car is in metallic Tanzanite blue finish. And it is with a 18-inch of Mercedes wheels AMG. So the car has covered 60,000 miles and it benefits of full Mercedes service history. The car is with a angel eye light, front fags. The car has front and rear parking sensors, so I'm gonna show to you now. Let's have a look inside the car. So the interior is a full leather cream. So the car, let me start the car for you. Turn off the music. This is the dashboard of the car. The car has a satellite navigation, a Bluetooth connectivity, then we've got the twin memory seats, passenger and driver side. Then we've got the electric windows, front and rear. So we've got the folding mirrors, and electric mirrors as well. The car has the paddle shifts, a voice control, front passenger and driver heated seats, what else we've got in here? We've got the aux in, the air conditioning, we've got a lumbar support, the both seats, there we go, and those are the rear seats of the car. There is no smell in the car at all. It's nice inside. The car is very well maintained. The parking sensors switched off. The car has a traction control. There are no issues at all in the dashboard. The car has a 6 GB of music register, which you can copy your music into the hard drive. The climate control. The car, as I said, benefits of full Mercedes service history. And the car has a 8,000 pounds of extras. The multi-functional steering wheel. The rear view mirror dimming. please visit our website or give us a call for more information.